Hello, so today the question is, where is the battery in a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee? This is a diesel model. If you need to jump start it, the jump start post is right here. You're gonna put your plus right here. You're gonna put your negative. They actually have a cool little drawing right here. So you put the negative right here. You're gonna pull this little booty off of here, and you're gonna put the negative post there. But where's the battery? That doesn't really answer where the battery is. The battery is underneath the passenger seat. There's either two batteries or one battery. This is a one battery system. So if the car does the eco shut off at a stoplight and then restart, then it has two batteries, one small one and one larger one. This one just has one larger battery. So that's where the battery is. That's under the hood is where the jump post is. And that's it. Hopefully that answers your questions today. Thanks for watching.